Hello everyone! Mabuhay! I am McCoy and welcome to Drive PH. Okay, let's get right to it. Ano ba ang Drive PH and its connection with repossessed cars? Drive PH offers Filipino drivers a platform for an easy end-to-end service solution while also making sure that they get the best value for and from their vehicles. But wait, there's more. They do initial appraisals and also they can check the warehouses pag kailangan ng kliyente makita ang sasakyan. Drive PH can do that for you. Like it's just connecting the buyer and the seller of cars. Diba kapag bumibili ka ng bahay, kailangan mo ng broker. Pero dito, pag bibili ka ng sasakyan, Drive PH lang ang kailangan mo. The point here is, there's no hidden or additional fees. That's Drive PH. Have you heard about repossessed cars? Alam niyo marami pa kasi ang naguguluhan dito. For everyone's knowledge, ang repossessed cars ay ang mga sasakyan na hindi nabayaran on time, kaya hinatak pabalik ng bangko. Kunwari, umutang ka ng pera pambili ng sasakyan. Siyempre, pag hindi mo nabayaran on time, kukunin ito pabalik nung pinag-utangan mo. So, dyan papasok ang repossessed cars. Pero mga kaibigan, ang presyo ng repossessed cars ay nakadepende pa rin sa vehicle make, model, condition, and of course, market demand. And kung kukuha kayo ng repossessed cars with Drive, sigurado kayo 100% garantisado. Reliable, safe, at very transparent dahil sasabihin ng Drive sa inyo ang kondisyon ng sasakyan. By the way, meron pa ring ongoing stigma when it comes to repossessed cars. May iba kasi iniisip nila, bakit ako bibili ng repossessed car? Baka mamaya, hindi na sariwa. Baka laspag na. Baka sinira na ng dating buyer dahil second hand na. Nako, laging yung tatandaan, it always depend on the preference of the future buyer dahil meron tayong tinatawag na priority and of course, budget. But imagine kung makascore ka ng maganda pang car at sariwa. O di ba, bongga? Could you see this 2024 Toyota Fortuner SUV na sariwa pa, 3,000 pa lang ang odometer at may mga plastic pang upuan? O diba, sariwa pang SUV na ito, if you have a reliable partner like Drive, you can get a good deal up to 40% less pa. O diba, good deal talaga. O ano, sakay na. For those who are interested in buying a repossessed car, don't get intimidated. Sobrang dali lang ng proseso. That is why we have Jerome from Drive PH para i-explain sa atin ang process. Let's go, Jerome!
Hi, Sir Makoy.
Yes, hello all. So, kamusta ka naman?
Mabuti naman, sir. Kayo, kamusta po?
Mabuting mabuti. Ang ganda ng SUV na puti, di ba?
Maganda nga, sir.
Jerome, maraming interesado bumili ngayon ng repossessed cars. Pero yung iba na-i-intimidate. Paano ba yung talagang proseso natin when it comes to this and how Drive can help?
Okay, madali lang po ang proseso natin para sa bidding. Unang-una, Sir Makoy, magpapadala kami ng exclusive list galing sa aming bank partner. Maaaring i-check nyo rin sa aming website yung mga nagustuhan ninyo sa sasakyan.
Pwede nyong i-check ang www.drive.ph.
Tama, sir.
Yes, pagkatapos niyan, anong susunod?
Pagkatapos, sir, sasabihin nyo lang sa amin kung anong gusto nyo sa sasakyan. Kami na pong bahala pagdating sa pag-check ng unit. Initial checking, sir.
After the initial checking, pwede ba namin makita mismo yung sasakyan sa warehouse?
Yes, sir. Yun nga yung sinasuggest namin sa aming mga kliyente. Mas maganda mapuntahan nila personally ang sasakyan para ma-check nila. Pag na-check na nila yung unit, sir, pwede na tayo mag-place ng bid, sir. Bali, manghihingi lang kami ng information sa kanila like email address and contact number.
At kapag nakuha nyo na yung mga personal details ng bidder, ano na ang susunod niyan?
Maaaring, sir, kami na po ang mag-submit ng bids ninyo or maaaring kayo na rin po ang mag-submit ng bids ninyo, sir.
Ay, ang gusto ko kayo na ang bahala. Para chill na lang ako sa bahay, diba?
Hassle-free, sir.
Hassle-free is very important. Yes, that's true. At dahil dyan, kapag nag-place na ako ng bid at kung manalo ako sa bid, paano ang mga payment options natin?
Sir, maaari tayo sa cash or financing.
At kapag natapos na, pwede ko nang i-drive pa uwi yung sasakyan.
Yes sir, maaari na po.
Sobrang dali lang pala ng proseso when it comes to buying a repossessed car dahil nandyan ang drive every step of the way. Right, Jerome?
Yes sir, tamang-tama po.
Alright, so see you soon. O mga ka-driver, sobrang dali lang bumili ng repossessed car. Yan ang power with Drive PH. We can help you every step of the way. Sigurado ka na legit ang pagkuha ng repossessed car from the bank. At along the way, Drive PH is there to guide you along the process. Ichichika ko sa inyo kung bakit nyo dapat piliin ang Drive. Aside from having the wide array of lists from most respected banks, we are also streamlining the paperwork to make it easy for you from point A to point B. O diba, less hassle, reliable pa. If you are interested in buying a second-hand car or selling your car, Drive PH is there for you. We are located in Capitolio, Pasig City. You can also follow us on our social media accounts or call us at this number. And remember, we are indeed a one-stop shop. It's easy, just drive.